Hello viewer, we are generating the design here. Add a new picture again. We are going to create these shapes. Add another design. Let's take it. Make a feature here. Add a new shape again. Let's explore the options here. Thank you for watching. So, here we will generate a design. I will have the shapes here. Creates the pen. Use the razor tool.